Hello, good day. This is Valentine, and I'm going to be making a presentation on Testdriller Android. Um, Mind you, if you haven't heard the word Testdriller before, Testdriller is a software solution for academic purposes. We actually render services to institutions, educational institutions, and we have so many products in the market already. And currently, I'm going to be focusing on making a presentation on one of our products, which is a Testdriller UTME Android. It's actually a soft solution that is for mobile devices and is for Nigerian UTME, where students can avail themselves the opportunity to practice questions, be able to actually, familiarize yourself with the schools that they want to enter and the courses. They also have the leverage to be able to familiarize yourself with the CBT interface, which is computer-based testing interface. With this standard software. So, by looking at this mobile device, we can actually see the test driller icon, which is the test driller UTME icon. Clicking it, we it opens test driller UTME version 2018, and wait for it to open. On opening, we can be able to see different sections of this particular software. The first one is the do you know option, which actually pops out some notable facts that has been actually been done as a result of history, some things that you might not know. We also have the practice for UTMA, which contains in excess of 13,357 questions offline. It's actually an offline software. We also have the Summary of Independence, which is the recommended literature from JAMB for this particular UTMA. Also have the all subject dictionary, which actually gives you specific terms for each subject, where you can find specific terms for each subject. Let's say, for example, in English language, you are looking for the meaning of lexics, lexical structure, and all of that. Your all subject dictionary can be able to explain that to you. Then we have the school finder. The school finder gives us a download of institutions, universities, polytechnics, and the corresponding courses that they offer. Let's assume you are looking for a particular course and you're not sure an institution can be able to offer them. This school finder helps you to know which schools is offering a particular course and how many candidates have applied to those particular courses the previous year. And then we also have our utilities, like for our website and all of that. If you notice at the lower end of this particular software, you see the activate button. That is because this software has not been activated. And when it is not activated after installation, it is more like running as a demo version. By running as a demo version, we are saying that there are some features of the software that you cannot be able to access until you buy the activation pin or the activation key. All right. So in this case, it's still running as a demo version. So by so doing, like for the section practice for UTMA, you can only access one or two questions, out of the whole lot for each subject. That is just for you to, familiarize yourself with the interface and all of that. So we go through the practice exam question. We see 13,357 questions. We go in, we see English independence, which is the recommended text. Then we also see different subjects. So let's assume we have a subject code of English for, let's let's say 2013, and then how many questions? 50 questions. Then also we check our account 2013, 50 questions. It keeps on telling you, popping up, and it keeps on telling you that you've not activated. That is for you to be aware that you are still running with a demo version. Then we say okay, commerce 2013 year. All right, also the same thing. Then we say okay, government 2013, 50 questions. So at the end of the day, we press play. We can also decide, before we press play, we can also decide to come to the time option. In the time option, we could be able to choose the maximum amount of time that we want to the exam to run. We can see 1 hour, or we can see 1 hour, we can see 1 hour 30 minutes. All right, so, and also we can decide to say okay, shuffle the option or shuffle the question, as the case may be. It gives you different things that you can actually use to juggle your mind. So we go back to the subject part, then we click on play. When we click on play, it comes up. Sorry. Okay, when we click on play, these are different questions you answer. When you are done with English, you can navigate to the different subjects on the tab. You can navigate and then answer, and also you can just answer any of the questions. You navigate, and for this one, for account, and then you can be able to answer, and so on and so forth. So on and so forth. But in this case, since it's not activated, you can only answer only one question or two, as the case may be. That is because it's still in the demo version. So, and also one good thing about this software is that we have also our calculator, which you can actually use, just to make things easier for you. The calculator, let's say, to check if it is correct, 98 times 95, it gives you an answer. So, and that is for the calculator. So when you are done, you click submit, and it will prompt you if you want to submit really. Then you click yes. When you click yes, there is a summary tabular form showing you the summary of all you've done, the subject you've actually attempted, the amount of subjects answered correctly, the average speed for each subject, and also, the general speed really. Also, it will also show you the time spent on each subject, and also you become up to speed if there are particular subjects that you need to improve on your speed really. So in this case, when you look at this particular chart, you notice that for English, the number of questions answered correctly is 0, 0. The speed is 1.4. You can decide to put it upon yourself to improve on that particular speed for a child who is not battling with accuracy. All right, so you can decide to also understand this better by putting it in tabular form, in bar chart rather. So in the bar chart, you could be able to also see how well you've performed, but in different ways also. All right, so in different ways, and the subjects are also divided into topics. So it will also show you how you've actually performed in every topic of interest. So that's how well we've actually grouped up this particular software. Then you can decide to also put it in pie chart, and also it goes on and on and on and on. I hope this is a good way to start, and I'm hoping to talk to you again. Until we come again, this is Valentine from Testdriller CBT Solution, signing off. Thank you.